the common notion that humans utilize only 10% of their brain capacity is purely a myth. Even during rest or sleep, more than a tenth of your brain remains active. Your heart is roughly the size of your clenched fist, while your brain is about the size of two clenched fists together. When you listen to music, your heartbeat synchronizes with its rhythm. Try swallowing and breathing simultaneously. It's impossible. Each eyebrow can house anywhere from 250 to over 1,000 hairs, with a lifespan of about 4 months before renewal. Unlike other organs, your eyes don't change size over time. Your height equals the length of your outstretched arms. Human DNA similarities of 96% to a chimpanzee, 90% to a cat, 70% to a slug, and 50% to a banana. It's quite a spectrum. Remarkably, you share 99.9% of your DNA with any random person on the planet. Your body contains over 650 skeletal muscles, constituting about 40% of your body weight. Muscles contracting generate up to 85% of the body's heat. In contrast, caterpillars have fewer muscles than humans, with some species having as few as 4,000, while grasshoppers have around 900. Similar to how salamanders regenerate their tails, humans may possess the ability to regrow cartilage, the connective tissue surrounding their joints. Researchers have found that cartilage has the potential to self-repair, with the most effective regeneration observed in the ankle, followed by moderate effectiveness in the hip and less so in the knee. Around 25% of individuals experience a curious reaction to sunlight, namely sneezing. This response is dubbed the photic sneeze reflex, known as sun sneezing in Greek. The human tongue is made up of 8 interconnected muscles, giving it a flexibility akin to an elephant's trunk or an octopus tentacle. Like these animals, the tongue can move in multiple directions with great agility. Let's talk about cats. Cats possess an extra organ called Jacobson's organ, or the vomeronasal organ, which enables them to taste scents in the air. Located inside their nasal cavity and opening into the roof of their mouths, Jacobson's organ detects specific chemicals via nerves leading directly to the brain. Unlike regular sniffing, this organ isn't for ordinary smells, but rather detects chemicals without odor, allowing cats to sense the undetectable. Moreover, Jacobson's organ enhances their sense of smell, crucial for kittens to locate their mother's milk amidst other cats. When two people meet, they often assess each other's body language. Similarly, cats typically do this by sniffing each other's heads. This form of greeting releases pheromones that convey valuable information from one cat to another, such as dietary preferences, health status, and even mood. Jacobson's organ plays a key role in interpreting these scent signals. Another interesting fact about cats is that their noses have distinct ridges, forming patterns similar to our fingerprints. Each cat has a unique nose print, which can be utilized as a form of identification. For all the dog lovers out there, here's a common misconception you might have heard. Dogs are colorblind. However, that's not entirely true. While dogs can see colors, their range is limited compared to humans. They primarily perceive yellows, blues, and violets, but red, green, and orange are less noticeable to them. The skin, our body's largest organ, contributes about 15% of our body weight. Beyond covering our bodies, it performs crucial functions, such as protecting us from external harm and preventing excessive water loss. Now, onto Animal Planet. Owls, fascinating creatures indeed, lack eyeballs, but instead possess eye tubes. Their rod-shaped eyes don't move like ours do, so they must turn their entire heads to look around silently. To aid their night vision, owls have evolved with necks that can twist around 270 degrees. Despite not having traditional eyelids, they possess 3 sets: one for blinking, one for sleeping, and one for keeping their eye tubes clean. So, do they give a hoot about eye hygiene? You bet they do. Here's a fascinating fact about turtles. They're permanently attached to their shells, which grow with them like human skin. A turtle shell is comprised of 50 bones, including a spine and rib cage, serving as their portable home. It's like having an RV that you can't leave behind. If you enjoyed learning something new, don't forget to like and share the video with your friends. And if you're hungry for more knowledge, check out these other videos and stay curious.